ZVSA stock analysis and ZVSA stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in the space that's done 43,000 videos and has proof of everything. And when I say this, I like literally have all the proof. You know, it's all on my YouTube channel. And with ZVSA, I can clearly tell you this thing has been just poor, man. Like, I'm going to get rid of all that. Here's the lows. We got that. And it pumped up out of nowhere, which is solid. You know, that is going to happen here and there. And I'm going to tell you that the likelihood that we got to keep crashing down is high. So therefore, if I do see like a double break or some sort of that, then I'm looking to take things further down. But like randomly selling will just not be happening. You know what I mean? So all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting, and I have a result here in the disc. So that's about it. Let me know what is your opinion, and if you want my exact play and all that good jazz, just click the first link in the description. Tell 100 people already seen it.